Welcome to a new video. If you are running a Shopify store in the UAE, you are already in a prime market with tremendous potential. But how do you stand out in a crowded online space? The answer is simple: SEO. In today's video, we will walk you through how to optimize your Shopify store for SEO specifically for the UAE market, driving more organic traffic and boosting your sales. Keyword research. Let's start with the foundation of SEO, keyword research. In the UAE, the market is diverse and multilingual, so it's crucial to target the right keywords. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, Uber Suggest and Ahrefs are your best friends here. Focus on long-tail keywords that match the shopping habits in the UAE. For instance, instead of just shoes, try luxury shoes in Dubai or affordable abayas in Sharjah. These specific keywords can help you tap into niche market. Optimizing product title and descriptions. Once you have your keyword, the next step is to weave them into your product titles and descriptions. In the UAE, consumers appreciate details and quality. Make sure your product titles are clear, include keywords and highlight what makes your product unique. For example, instead of women's dress, use elegant women's dress in Dubai, perfect for evening wear in your descriptions. Focus on unique selling points and use bullet points for easy readability. Remember, a well-written description can be the difference between a sale and a bounce. Image optimization. Images are crucial in the e-commerce world, especially in the visually driven market like the UAE. But they are not just for show, they are also an SEO asset. Always use alt text for your images with relevant keywords. For instance, luxury leather handbag in Dubai. Additionally, compress your image to ensure fast loading times. This is key for both SEO and user experience. In the UAE, where mobile shopping is on the rise, speed matters. Creating SEO-friendly URLs. Next, let's talk about your URLs. Clean, descriptive URLs are must for SEO. Shopify allows you to customize your URLs. So take advantage of this by including your primary keywords. For example, instead of generic product 123, use handmade jewelry Dubai. This not only helps search engines but also make your link more user-friendly. Utilizing meta tags. Meta tags might not be visible on your site, but they play a significant role in how search engine view your store. Your meta title should include primary keywords and clearly describe the content of the page. For your meta description, craft compelling copy that include keywords and encourage clicks. For example, discover the best organic skincare product in Dubai. Shop now for fast delivery across the UAE. Blogging for SEO. Content is king when it comes to SEO, and blogging is one of the best ways to create fresh content regularly. A blog on your Shopify store can help you cover topics that are relevant to your audience, such as top 10 fashion trends in Dubai or how to choose the best days for Ramadan in the UAE. Not only does this help with SEO, but it also positions your brand as an authority in your niche. Mobile optimization. In the UAE, mobile shopping is huge. That's why ensuring your Shopify store mobile optimized is crucial. Choose a responsive theme that adapts seamlessly to different screen sizes and make sure your sites load quickly. A slow site can lead to high bounce rates, especially on mobile. Test your site speed and mobile friendliness using tools like Google's mobile friendly test. Building backlinks. Backlinks are one of the most powerful tools in SEO toolkit. In the UAE, building relationship with local bloggers, influencers and other business can help you acquire quality backlinks. Consider guest blogging or creating partnership where other websites link back to your store. Each backlink is a vote of confidence that can significantly boost your site's authority. And there you have it. It's an essential tip to optimize your Shopify store for SEO in the UAE. By implementing these strategies, you can increase your store's visibility, drive more organic traffic, and ultimately boost your sales. If you are looking to take your online store to the next level, we are here to help. At MEQ Computers, official Shopify partner for UAE, we specialize in Shopify development and SEO tailored for business like yours. Whether you are just getting started or need to refine your strategy, our team has the expertise to drive real results. Click the link in the description to schedule a free consultation. Let's talk about how we can help your store stand out in the UAE market. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for the expert tips.